The question reads, what will be the correct mirror image of the following textual image? We have to find out the mirror image of the given image. So the most important thing and the only thing that you just have to remember that you have to flip image, the given image horizontally. For example, if the given figure is L, then if you flip this horizontally, this will become this. So you have to flip this horizontal, not vertical. If you remember this statement, then finding answer to such type of question become very easier. So the given figure is HF796. So you have to flip this horizontally. So if you flip this horizontally, then this H will come on the right hand side. H is initially at the left hand side and 6 on the right hand side. So H will come on the right hand side. What you can do to test what I am telling, you can write this HF796, these alphabets and numbers on a page and stand in front of a mirror and see what happens. So the thing is that now on the right hand side H will come. So but H, if you write down H, if you flip this horizontally, because this whole textual image will flip and also these individual alphabets will also get flipped. So this H, if you flip this H will remain H. Because flipping H, because H is symmetrical horizontal. For example, if you flip horizontally this I, then also this will remain I. So H will remain H, then comes F. So if you flip this horizontally, this will become somewhat like this, F. So after H it will be F. So H and F we have covered. So next we have got 7. If you flip 7, it will be somewhat like this. So HF7, 7 is also covered. Then it's 9. If you flip 9 horizontally, so this will become like this. So let me write it over here, 9, and lastly comes 6. So if you flip horizontally 6, the round shape is towards the right hand side, so it will be like this. So this. So let me write this in a fresh way. This will become H, flipped F, flipped 7, flipped 9, flipped 6. So let us try to figure out which option looks similar to our answer. So 6, 9, 7. This does not, 7 does not matches. So this is not the right answer. Next 9. So this does not matches. Here you see this is flipped 6. Option C, if you see again, this is not matching. This and these are not the right answer. So hopefully D is going to be the right answer. Let us check. Yes, 6, 9, flipped 7, flipped F and H. Yes, this is exactly like the image we have found. So option D is the right answer. So here you have been given textual image. In fact, such type of questions may contain some cartoons or any figure of any human being or anything, and you just have to remember that in such type of question you have to flip image, the whole image horizontally, and check for yourself which is your answer and mark the option correct. So be careful with such questions. These questions are very common in Olympiads. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.